Hello there, Vanagon addicts. It's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. These are our beautiful H4 headlights that some of you have purchased, and I'm talking to you folks about how to install them and how to make sure they're set up properly. So, number one, these are already installed. I'm going to take this out to show you how to put it back in. You can kind of see that. First of all, you got this frame comes with it. Okay, you have 4 screws for that, one in each corner of the frame. You just remove these screws, okay? There's actually 2 bigger ones on this inner section and 2 smaller ones on the outer, so you want to kind of make sure you realize that and keep them segregated a little bit for that reason. Okay, you just take these screws out. You can see it's just taking a couple seconds here to do this, and you take this whole thing out as a unit. That is the only way I would recommend doing any of this. Do not take it apart, don't take it off the mounts, none of that stuff. Okay, so here you go. Now it is coming out. Okay, put these screws here for the moment. You can see what I've got set up here. We've got our outer light with a LED bulb in it. Okay, then if you go in farther, you're going to see that I've got an adapter in here. Okay, because the H4 has a 3-prong, kind of like similar plug to the old lights, that like the old round ones. You have to put an adapter, which I'm going to supply. Okay, you plug that into this, and of course the inner one plugs into just the normal looking inner light plug. So let me go ahead and unplug these real quick so you can see this a little bit better. Okay, you just basically plug in this blue one as you would plug in your normal lights. You want to make sure the pins in there get seated in here good when you're putting it in. Don't force it. And then of course you see this is the end of our H4 thing. It plugs into this. Okay, so that's basically, and you know, putting it in is reverse of what we just did right here. Okay, so that's basically how you would put in both sides. You just, you know, plug this adapter in, plug in the 2 lights, put it up there, put the screws in, and you're done. Okay, that's really all that should be required to install these lights. Once you get them installed, you can see there are adjusters here and here. They are going to have to be aimed. Okay, so I'm going to maybe do a video on that, or I may just refer you to a website called Daniel Stern Lighting. You basically use the side of a building and you aim these lights so that they're focused and you get the most out of them. Because, you know, I've inspected all of these. Some of them were okay as far as how they're focused, and other ones are completely out of focus. And so you definitely want to check the adjustments and make sure that it's focused or adjusted properly. So that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying your lights. A lot of you are getting them right now. And if you want to order some for the future, we're supposed to be getting another shipment of 20 sets in November, and I've set up a pre-order on the website. If you want to go ahead and do that, they will come to you as soon as they come in. So that's it, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and please get more smiles per gallon, and have a great one. We'll see you guys on the next video.